customize a lock screen on Redmi Note 15, first of all, you have to start by opening the settings, and the first options we can find over here, and the second one in the personalization. So first, let's start from the lock screen, and as you can see, first of all, we are able to change these shortcuts that are on the left bottom corner. So you can change them or you can just turn them off. That's actually up to your preferences. In my case, I'm using flashlight and the camera because I'm often opening these applications from my screen. Also, if you don't want your wallpaper to automatically change on your lock screen, you have to turn off this wallpaper carousel, because when you turn it on, your lock screen wallpaper will change automatically. And right now, there's also this shortcut, double tap to wake or turn off the screen when you are on the lock screen. So if you want to use this, you can turn it on or off. Next, if you want to get some more personalization, you will have to go over here, now pick the lock screen, and first pick the style of the lock screen that you want to customize. In my case, I would like to get the first one because I'm using my video wallpaper. We have to click customize, and as you can see, first of all, we can click here to add text to the lock screen. So let's input, for example, hello with some emojis. There we go. By clicking here, as you can see, we are able to customize clock. We can change font style of the clock. We are able to change the clock style, which are here. We can also change date style. There's actually a lot of options, but even we can remove this date completely, and we can view, for example, the weather information, like for example, the temperature feels like. And here we can also add some other things. That's some widgets. We can add also the same, like we can add the pressure, for example, that is outside. Now we can click outside, and here we can also change the font effect. So if you want to change the color of this, you can do that. You can also change the secondary color. There we go. And now if you apply everything, you have to click here. And if we try to change this one, yeah, we are also able. So we can add date, for example, over here. Now click apply to finish this process.